Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a chart in Google Sheets. Right guys, here I have opened my Google Sheet on my laptop, and if you want to make a chart, you have to prepare your table. And here I have prepared my table, and we're going to make a chart from this table. So the first thing we're going to do is selecting the table like this, and make sure that you select the whole part of your table. And after that, we can click on Insert, then just click on Chart since we want to create a chart. Then the chart will be created on your spreadsheet. So this is the chart guys, and if you want to change the type of the chart, you just need to click on chart type right here. Then you can select the type that you want to use, and for example I'm going to select column chart, so I'm gonna click on column chart right here. And if you want to change the title of the chart, you just need to click on the title. Then you can put the title text right here guys. For example, I'm going to name it financial report. Okay, sorry, I got typo. Report. Okay, and this is the result guys, and that's how we can create a chart in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.